Very good morning, students. Today our topic it is natural vegetation and chapter 6 of geography. Main topics what we want to study, that is natural vegetation, forest, tropical and evergreen forest in different types of forest, and tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, coniferous forest. Please read with me loudly. What are the different types of forests? Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous forest. Okay, very good. So once again read silently. I am showing this one in screen, or you can open your textbook and see. Once again, T for tropical evergreen forest, TE for tropical evergreen forest, TD for tropical deciduous forest, TE again, that is temperate evergreen forest, then TD temperate deciduous forest. So we can see that one, TE square, TD square, then Mediterranean vegetation, then coniferous forest. Next one, grassland, tropical grassland and temperate grassland. Then next comes thorny bushes and polar region. So what is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation refers to the plant life of a region which grown naturally. If nowadays we are looking to our area, we can see the maximum plant we are planting and it is growing. So if you are going to the first area or marshy land, there what we can see, the plants it is growing its own without any human intervention. Like that things what we will call it natural vegetation. The types and thickness of the natural vegetation varies from place to place because of the variation of these factors. Different factors it are affecting the vegetation of one area. So we can see type as well as thickness of the natural vegetation, it varies from place to place. Natural vegetation is classified into three broad categories. First one it is forest, second it is grassland, third one is shrubs. Forest means what it is, which grows where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support the tree cover. The tree cover we can see that plenty of trees we can see, like that area what we will call it forest. Then grassland, which grows the region of the moderate region where we are getting temperate as well as the rain moderate, in that area grassland, grass it will grow properly. Then shrubs, thorny shrubs and the shrubs grow in the dry region where we are getting very less rainfall. In that region we can see shrubs it is growing. The change in the type of the natural vegetation occurs mainly because of the change of climatic condition. According to the climate, the natural vegetation also it is varies. We have seen about the Ladakh, and we have seen about the African desert. We have seen about Amazon forest, the North Indian plains and forests. So according to the climate, it is varies, having the differences in the vegetation. Then next one, forest, different types of forest we are going to study. Tropical evergreen forest or tropical rain forest we are calling, and we studied the example of Amazon as well as the North Indian Ganga side forest also we studied. These thick also called tropical rainforest. What is the another name? Tropical rainforest. Then these thick forest occurs in the region near to the equator and close to the tropics. In both area we can see, if in the near to the equator and tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn, near to that also we can see. So we studied about the equator, that one is Amazon rainforest we studied. Then near to the tropical, that one we studied about the Gangetic vegetation. Okay, these regions are hot and receives heavy rainfall throughout the year, and as there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether, thus they are called evergreen. So the trees they won't shed the leaves together. If you are going to Jammu Kashmir or other some forests we can see that that leaves they are shedding their leaves. Some tree areas it is in the winter season, because the winter it will go minus, so leaves can't grow, so all the leaves it will shed it. And some area it is hot, in that time they want to protect the trees, they want to protect themselves. For that purpose they will shed the leaves to reduce the evaporation. That you studied in science, or you will study in 8th standard, 7th or 8th standard. Okay, then as there is no particular dry season and trees do not shed their leaves altogether, thus what we are calling it evergreen forest. Common trees, hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany, etc. The next one, tropical deciduous forest. This may ask us a 5-mark question. Explain about the different types of forests. So all these important points you want to write. These are the monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia and the Central America. We can see tropical deciduous forest, which one is near to the Tropic of Cancer as well as Tropic of Capricorn. Near to that, what we can see, deciduous forest. And trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. Because of evaporation, they may lose their water content. That's why what they will do, they will shed the leaves. Then common trees, again it is hardwood trees like sal, teak, neem, shisham, etc. Common animals are tigers, lions, elephants, then langurs and monkeys. Important of hardwood trees, useful for making furniture, transport and construction materials. Next one is evergreen, temperate evergreen forest. The forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal regions. Coastal region we can see which one? Temperate evergreen forest. Commonly found along the eastern margin of the continent. Example in southeast USA and South China and the southeast Brazil. Common trees, both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Then temperate deciduous forests, these are present at a high latitude. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal regions of Western Europe. Which one? Temperate deciduous forest. And they shed their leaves in the dry season. We have seen that tropical deciduous forest also shedding their leaves in the dry season. Here temperate deciduous forest also shedding leaves in the dry season. Common trees like oak, ash, beech, etc. Common animals, deer, foxes, wolves. Birds like peasants, monals are also found here. Next topic it is Mediterranean vegetation. These are present at west and southwest margins of the continent. It is almostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia, which given its name. So in where we can see the Mediterranean vegetation, that near to the Mediterranean Sea, parts of Europe, Africa and Asia. It also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California, in the USA and Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America and Southwest Australia. Not only in Mediterranean area, some other areas in USA also we can see which area, California area and Southwest Africa, then southwestern part of South America, then Western Australia. These are found in the areas of hot dry summers and mild rainy winters, where we are getting the hot dry summer as well as mild rainy season. In that area we can see which one? Mediterranean vegetation. So question is, what type of vegetation we are having in our area, in our surrounding, which type of vegetation we are having. If you are moving to Dindikal area or Ooty, Kambamtheni, that area, which type of vegetation we are having. And if you are moving to Chennai area, which type of vegetation we are having. So whenever you are getting chance to travel from one place to another place, it may be half a kilometer or far like that, hundreds of kilometers, that time you want to check what type of vegetation we are seeing. So our sense organs should be open and should observe the what all things we study in the textbook. Like that only we can associate and understand. Okay, next one, the common vegetation, citrus fruit such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes. And there isn't much wild here. Wildlife is very less because the forest area, it is very what we can say, scattered here and there. Then coniferous forest. These trees are found in the higher latitude, in the top of the mountain, that area, that is 50 degree to 70 degree in the northern hemisphere. These are also called taiga. What we are calling coniferous forest, taiga. These forests are also seen in the higher altitude. Then common trees, chir, pine, cedar. Common animals, silver fox, mink, polar bears. Means where we are seeing the what we can say, latitude also, as well as the altitude, heighted places and the polar regions we can see, near to the polar regions we can see. Trees are tall softwood evergreen trees. In that area, what type? It is soft trees as well as it is evergreen trees. The woods of these trees are very useful of making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from this soft wood. So these coniferous forest things, trees we are using for the means the trees, it is very soft, so we are using for manufacturing paper, newsprint, matchboxes, packing boxes, etc. When we are going to market area, you can see tomatoes and apples coming nowadays in plastic boxes. It is coming. In olden days it was coming in a wooden boxes. That softwood we are making from these soft trees. Then matchboxes are available at home, near to our god and goddesses. We are keeping matchbox to light the lamp every day, morning and evening. So that matchbox, matchsticks, you can check it, and matchbox also you can check it. It is soft wood. It will break very fast. The next one, the grassland. Okay, we will continue in next video.